हेलो बच्चों, लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन. ऑन अर्थ सरफेस वेयर एग्जैक्टली इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल ऑफ डिप मैक्सिमम. यहाँ पे जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, की कॉन्सेप्ट वो एंगल ऑफ डिप होगा. एंगल ऑफ डिप. तो एंगल ऑफ डिप समझने से पहले लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस ऑफ द अर्थ. दिस इज द अर्थ. Earth shape is geode, but here we are considering it as a sphere. This is the equator of the earth, and this is North Pole. This is South Pole. They are geographical South and geographical North Pole. Now let us write the magnetic North and magnetic South Pole. This will be magnetic South Pole and this is मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ पोल. हमें पता है कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस हमेशा नॉर्थ पोल से स्टार्ट होती है और साउथ पोल पर एंड होती है आउटसाइड द मैग्नेट. सो वी कैन ड्रॉ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस लाइक दिस. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस लाइक दिस. This is the magnetic field line. This is another magnetic field line, and the direction can be represented from north to south for every magnetic field line. Now let us try to understand here. If we draw the horizontal plane, horizontal of on the earth's surface, this is the horizontal at the pole. So the angle between the magnetic field line and the horizontal plane is 90 degree at the pole. This is 90 degree. As we move away from the pole, this horizontal plane becomes like this. At this point, the horizontal plane will be like this and the angle will keep on decreasing. This angle is decreasing, and at the equator, this is the equator, horizontal plane will become like this. This will be the horizontal plane, and the angle between magnetic field line and the horizontal plane will become equal to 0. So we can say that this angle we are calling it alpha. Alpha at 90 degree latitude, that is the pole, it is equal to 90 degree, and the alpha at 0 degree latitude, that is equator, it is equal to 0 degree. Now let us define the angle of dip. What is angle of dip? Angle of dip, it is the angle between magnetic field vector and the horizontal plane, So the alpha is the angle of dip that we have defined here. As we have seen that the alpha is maximum at the pole, that is 90 degree. At the equator it is equal to 0 degree, and as we go away from the equator, again this alpha will start increasing. This will be the plane and this will be the alpha. So the alpha will again start increasing, and finally at the south pole, geographical south pole, this will become 90 degree. So we can write our final answer. That is the angle of dip. Angle of dip is maximum at poles. Thank you. Hope you understood the solution. Best of luck.